India is preparing to significantly cut import tariffs on cars from the European Union from as high as 110% and 70% in some cases to 40%, marking its most substantial market opening in the auto sector as both sides near the conclusion of a landmark free trade agreement. Sources indicate the deal could be announced as early as January 27th during the India-EU summit in New Delhi involving Prime Minister Narendra Modi, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen, and European Council President Antonio Costa. Commerce Secretary Rajesh Agarwal confirmed that official-level negotiations have concluded, with the pact described as the mother of all deals by officials. The tariff reduction will apply immediately to a limited number of EU-built cars priced above 15,000 euros, around $17,739 or 16.3 lakh rupees, potentially covering up to 2 lakh combustion engine vehicles annually, with further phased reductions toward 10% over time. Battery electric vehicles are excluded from these cuts for the first 5 years to safeguard domestic investments by companies like Tata Motors and Mahindra & Mahindra in the emerging sector, after which EVs would follow similar reductions. This move benefits European automakers such as Volkswagen, Renault, Stellantis, Mercedes-Benz and BMW, many of which already manufacture locally in India but have faced growth limitations due to high import barriers on premium and niche models. The FTA, after nearly 2 decades of intermittent negotiations since 2007, which was relaunched intensively in 2022, will also reduce EU tariffs on Indian labor-intensive exports, currently averaging 3.8% but up to 10% in key sectors covering textiles, leather, footwear, apparel, gems, jewelry, handicrafts, and alcoholic beverages like wine. India's weighted average duty on EU imports stands at 9.3%, with automobiles at 35.5%, plastics at 10.4%, chemicals and pharmaceuticals at 9.9%, and alcoholic beverages 100 to 125%. The agreement is expected to liberalize services sector norms, including telecommunication, transport, accounting, and auditing, while enhancing market access, government procurement, and investment pathways. With over 6,000 European companies operating in India and bilateral goods trade surpassing $136 billion in financial year 2025, the deal complements Indian exports, smartphones, garments, footwear, auto parts, pharmaceuticals, cut diamonds, with EU strengths in high-end machinery, aircraft, electronics, chemicals, and medical devices. It aims to expand opportunities amid global trade shifts, including recent US tariffs on Indian goods. The pact is expected to be signed later in 2026 and come into force early next year, creating a massive free trade area for nearly 2 billion people and a combined economy worth around $27 trillion.